Hi everyone! Today I will continue the lesson of guessing fruit names. What fruit is this? Acai. Acai. What fruit is this? Blackcurrant. Blackcurrant. What fruit is this? Clementine. Clementine. What fruit is this? Dewberry. Dewberry. What fruit is this? Emu apple. Emu apple. What fruit is this? Fuyu persimmon. Fuyu persimmon. What fruit is this? Gooseberry. Gooseberry. What fruit is this? Hawthorn. Hawthorn. What fruit is this? Im. What fruit is this? Jostaberry. Jostaberry. What fruit is this? Kumquat. Kumquat. What fruit is this? Rambutan. Rambutan. What fruit is this? Yume. Yume. What fruit is this? Watermelon. Watermelon. What fruit is this? Ximenia. Ximenia. What fruit is this? Zucchini. Zucchini.